Greetings and welcome to a YouTube channel. Today we have Realme P4 smartphone, and in this video I'm going to show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. Firstly, let's do a quick unboxing and let's see what you will get with the box. Some paperwork, SIM ejector, a flexible back cover, your smartphone, $80-watt charger, and a type A to C cable. So if you're planning to purchase this phone or you have already bought this, then this video can be really helpful for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. This phone comes with a handy feature called Shake to turn on the flashlight. By default that is disabled. To enable this, open your settings, scroll down and then select accessibility and convenience. Again scroll down, select gesture and motions, select shake to launch, and here you can select turn torch on or off. Now whenever your phone is locked or whenever you are on home screen, you can shake your phone like this, then it will turn on your flashlight. From here you can also set this open camera feature. Now whenever your phone is locked, you can shake your phone like this, then it will directly open the camera application. This phone comes with this new control panel where you have to swipe from the right side to open your control panel and from the left side to open your notification bar. You can also switch like this, but if you want to set your older one, then open your control panel, click on these three dots, select customize quick settings and then select classic. Now it will disable the newer one and then enable the older one where you will get your notification bar and your control center together. When you are on home screen, it feels really uncomfortable to reach at the corner and open these applications, but there is a gesture for this. To enable this, tap and hold on your home screen, select more, select icon pull down gesture and then enable this. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can swipe up from either side of your screen like this. Then it will bring all your application around your thumb. Then simply tap the application you want to open, then it will open that application for you. You can enable double tap to lock and double tap to wake your screen up feature. To do that, tap and hold on your home screen, select more. Firstly enable double tap to lock, scroll down and also enable double tap to turn screen on or off. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can double tap on the blank area, then it will lock your smartphone, and if you will double tap on your locked screen, that will wake your screen up. This phone comes with a lot of screen off gestures, so you can open any of your favorite application from your locked screen. To enable this, open your settings, select accessibility and convenience, select gesture and motions and then select screen off gestures. Firstly enable this. Now you can select this draw an O to open camera. Now whenever your phone is locked, if you will draw an O, then it will directly open your camera application. The second one is draw a V to turn torch on or off. If you will enable this, then whenever your phone is locked, you can simply draw a V, then it will turn on your flashlight, and if you will draw it again, then it will turn it off. You can also control your music from your locked screen. Enable this. Now if you want to play or pause your music, then you can draw these two lines. To play the previous or the next song, you can draw these symbols. You can also set your favorite application to these symbols or these alphabets. For example, I'm selecting this draw a W, tap on this, select open app and then select the application you want to set. For example, I want to set Netflix. Now whenever I will draw a W on my locked screen, that will directly open my Netflix application. You can monitor your real-time network speed and you don't have to download any third-party app for that. Open your settings, select notification and quick settings, select status bar and then enable this real-time network speed. Then it will start showing your internet speed in the status bar. While using your social media application like Instagram, YouTube, etc., you can use this circle to search feature to search anything that you have on your display to the Google. Simply tap and hold in the middle bottom like this, then it will enable that. Now circle the object you want to search, then it will directly search it on the Google. You can also use it like this. Open your camera application. Now if you have something in front of you, face the camera to that and then tap and hold the middle bottom and then circle the object you want to search. Then it will directly search it on the Google for you. You can use two applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of a simple gesture. Open the first application and then swipe up by using three fingers like this. Now select the second application you want to use. As you can see, you will be able to use two applications at the same time in a single screen. If you like to multitask, then you can use this smart sidebar feature. You will see a transparent bar on the right side of your screen. To open this, simply swipe to the left. Here you can temporarily save any file in File Dock. You can screenshot and screen record from here. You can translate in the real time with the help of this. Now if you will open any application from here, it will open it in floating window. You can resize it from the corners, drag and drop it, and even minimize it just like your desktop. Now whenever you need that application again, then simply tap on the apps icon, then it will open it for you. So if you like to multitask, then you can definitely use this smart sidebar feature. If you will long press the power button, then it will launch Google Gemini instead of opening your power menu. If you want to set it to power menu, then open your settings, select accessibility and convenience, select power button, select press and hold the power button, and then select power menu. Now if you will long press your power button, then it will launch your power menu. But if you want to keep this as your digital assistant, now if you want to launch your power menu, then you can press the volume up button and power button at the same time, then it will launch your power menu. You can directly save any image by using your Instagram, YouTube, etc. You can copy any text from any image as well, but firstly you have to enable the screen recognition feature. Open your settings, select accessibility and convenience, select screen recognition, and then enable this. Now if you click a screenshot, then it will start showing a screen recognition feature on the left side, and after that you can select the text and then copy it. You can directly extract any text from the images or download any image with the help of this screen recognition feature. You can clone any application in the smartphone. Open your settings, select apps, select app cloner, click on agree and continue. It will show you all the applications that you have in your smartphone and that are clonable. Now select the app you want to clone. For example, I want to clone Facebook, and then enable this. It will take few seconds. After that it will make the clone. As you can see, I have two Facebooks now and I can log in with two different accounts in the same application. If you use your phone at night a lot, then the next two features are especially for you. Open your settings, select display and brightness. The first one is dark theme. If you will enable this, then it will turn all the white colors into black. This will decrease the pressure on your eyes. And the second one is eye comfort. Click on this and then enable this. As you can see, it will warm the color of your screen. This will also decrease the pressure on your eyes. You can also adjust the intensity from here. So if you use your phone at night a lot, then these two features are specially for you. If you're using 3-button navigation and if you want to change the order of these 3 buttons, or if you want to set gesture navigation, then open your settings, scroll down to the bottom and then select system and update. From here select system navigation. Here you can change the order of these 3 buttons, or if you want to set gestures, then select gestures. Now you can go back like this, open your recent applications like this and jump to your home screen like this. There's a feature to increase the lifespan of your phone's battery. Open your settings, select battery health, and then enable this smart charging. What it does, it will charge your phone up to 80% with normal speed and then take a little bit extra time to charge your phone fully. This will increase the lifespan of your phone's battery. If you're in a hurry, then you can use the next feature. In the same battery settings, select charging settings and then select smart rapid charging. Then it will increase the charging speed of your smartphone, but keep in mind this will make your phone a little bit warmer, or it may decrease the lifespan of your phone's battery if you will use this regularly. You can hide any application in the smartphone. Open your settings, select security and privacy, scroll down to the bottom and then select hide apps. I have made a separate video on this. If you want to watch, then comment down, I'll send you the link. This phone comes with always on display feature. To enable this, open your settings, select wallpaper and style, select always on display. Firstly enable always on display. Now here you have some cool looking styles. Select your favorite one. Here you can also further customize it, change the color, shape, etc. After this, simply click on done. Click on apply. And now whenever your phone is locked, it will show that specific AOD style on your locked screen. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature for Realme P4 5G smartphone. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and let us know in the comment section which feature you like the most. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.